खासमा यो वर्कसप तपाईँको हाम्रो वन विभागको वाइल्ड लाइफ डिभिजनले अर्गनाइज गर्यो। त हामीले खासमा इन्भाइट गरेको चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले हेर्नुभएको छ होला। हाम्रो जो सिभिल जुडिसियरीको जो हुनुहुन्छ जजेसहरू, डिस्ट्रिक्टको जजेस, जुडिसियल म्याजिस्ट्रेटहरू, सिनियर एडभोकेट्सहरू, लयर्सहरूलाई 4टा डिस्ट्रिक्टबाटै हामीले इन्भाइट गरेको छु। अनि खास मकसद थियो कि सचेतना बढाउनुको लागि, सेन्सिटाइजेसनको लागि कि इलिगल वाइल्ड लाइफ क्राइम भन्ने जुन चाहिँ ठुलो कुरा छ, तपाईँहरूले आजको विषयवस्तुमा सुन्नुभयो होला कि इलिगल जुन चाहिँ वाइल्ड लाइफ क्राइम छ त्यसको कतिको प्रभाव सिक्किममा पनि छ, अनि कसरी त्यसलाई मिटिगेट गर्ने, कसरी त्यसलाई रोकथाम गर्ने, त्यसको बारेमा हामीले चर्चा गऱ्यौँ पुरा बिहानदेखि नै। अनि यो खासमा तपाईँको यो प्रोग्राम हाम्रो एउटा प्रोजेक्ट छ वन विभागको सिक्योर हिमालय भन्ने, त्यसकै आधारमा हामीले आज आयोजन गरेको छु। त्यो प्रोजेक्ट तपाईँको हाम्रो 2018देखि चल्दैछ नर्थ र वेस्ट सिक्किममा, खासमा सिक्किमको हाई अल्टिट्युड हिमालहरूलाई संरक्षणको लागि। त्यसमा एउटा मेन तपाईँको भाग छ कि हाम्रो जुन चाहिँ यो इलिगल गैर कानुनी जुन चाहिँ एक्टिभिटिजहरू हुन्छ वाइल्ड लाइफको एगेन्स्टमा, हन्टिङ होस् कि ट्रेड होस्, त्यसको कसरी रोकथाम अझै राम्रो पाराले गर्ने, त्यसको लागि हामीले सबैजनासँग मिलेर, पुलिस होस् कि आर्मी होस्, हाम्रो आइटिबिपी होस्, उनीहरूसँग मिलेर काम गर्छु। त्यसकै अन्तर्गत हामीले यसपालि सोचेँ कि हाम्रो जुडिसियली अफिसियल्सहरूलाई पनि हामी एवेरनेस बढाउँछौँ, उनीहरूको पनि, फेरि उनीहरूसँग अझै राम्रोसँगले मिलेर हामी यो रोकथाम अझै गर्न सक्छौँ। त्यही उद्देश्यले गर्दाखेरि हामीले आज यो कार्यक्रमको स्थापना गरेको थियो। सिक्किममा हजुर एउटा तपाईँहरूले हेर्नुभयो होला, हाम्रो अग्निमित्र सरले एउटा प्रेजेन्टेसन दिनुभयो। उहाँले भन्नुभयो कि सिक्किमको जियोग्राफिकल पोजिसन हेर्दाखेरि एकदमै सिक्किमको इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ पोजिसन, किन सिक्किमको इन्टरनेसनल बााउन्ड्रीहरू हाम्रो भुटानसँग, चाइनासँग अनि नेपालसँग पनि छ, एकदम पोरस बोर्डर छ। त्यही भएर ट्रेडको पुरै सम्भावना छ। तर अहिले हाम्रो वन विभागले गर्दाखेरि अनि अरू डिफेन्स एजेन्सिजले गर्दाखेरि त्यस्तो बेसी क्राइमको त हाम्रो डिटेक्सन भएको छैन, हाम्रो रेकर्डहरू छैन। तर अझै हामी राम्रो पाराले यसलाई स्ट्रेङ्थेन गर्न सक्छौँ इन्फोर्समेन्ट मेकानिजमलाई। त्यसकै उद्देश्य लिएर हामीले आज यो प्रोग्राम गरे।
Today's workshop is basically organized to sensitize the judiciary because judiciary plays a very crucial role in the prosecution of wildlife offences, and they need to be really sensitized because Wildlife Protection Act being a solo act, not many people are very well aware about the provisions of the act, and knowingly, unknowingly, people do commit mistakes and people do get indulged into wildlife crime. And it is the primary duty of the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau also to sensitize all the stakeholders who are involved in the prosecution of the wildlife offences. So this program was meant basically for sensitizing the judiciary officials as well as the advocate who are practicing the wildlife laws. So here the overall view about the wildlife crime scenario in the country as well as the world is being letting known to all the visitors, all the participants. And apart from that, the communities, the hunting gangs of various communities, they are seriously indulged into hunting of wild animals, scheduled animals, and into wildlife trade of the wildlife articles, contrabands, as well as the live wild animals as well. And apart from that, the legal provisions are also to be made understood. We have a senior advocate here who is already shared the inputs about important sections, relevant provisions of the Wildlife Protection Act, which should be looked into when a case is under prosecution before the judges. So that is all about today's program.
So what are the major highlights? Could you briefly tell us?
Yeah, please.
Major highlights.
Right. So first of all, I want to say that we chose Gangtok as the venue because North Bengal, along with parts of Sikkim, is major smuggling route for many of the wildlife articles because Sikkim and because of the presence of China in traditional Chinese medicines, many of these wildlife articles are used, and Sikkim and North Bengal are major smuggling routes for that. So thereby it makes Gangtok and Sikkim a very important venue to conduct this workshop. So in today's program, we started off with the address of the ACS Kampisi Safe Sir, and thereafter we talked about the global, Indian and the local scenario of wildlife crime. And then we had a session on the major provisions of wildlife crime, the Wildlife Protection Act, and the special provisions of the Act, which is different from IPC, which the honorable judges might not have been that aware because the wildlife cases are so few. So beyond that, we had a session on hunting communities of India, by Joint Director WCCB, Girisha sir, and then we would have further sessions on the role of the agencies like WCCB and what we have a panel discussion with the judges for increasing the conviction rate in wildlife crime cases.